Hi crafty people, this is Ellen from EGI Designs. I was just getting ready to work on a card and I thought I would give you a quick tip. When you have a stamp that is very delicate like this, but then it has, a stem or a branch, it can be really difficult to get the stamp to line up with the die cut, because if you stamp it and it's bent out of shape, when you go to do the die cut, it's not going to line up. So I thought I would give you a quick tip on that. So here is where I cut out the two die cuts. The stamp that I'm using today is the Friendship Leafy Cluster by Simon Says Stamps, and I have the matching die here. So what I did, my waffle flower mat is super duper duper sticky right now, so I put a extra little piece of paper in there just so it wouldn't stick onto the stamps. So I took the piece that I die cut out of and put it in here and put my magnet on. So then what I can do is I can use the cut pieces as like a almost puzzle piece. So the stamp will fit right into where I cut the die cut out of. And then you can get the stem perfectly lined up in there. So pick those up. And then take this one out. And then what I can do is put these, like a puzzle piece, back into where I cut them out. And then I'll be able to stamp right on top. And it's perfectly lined up with the stems. Hope this is a tip that can help you out. And like, subscribe, and have a wonderful day. Thanks. Bye-bye.